AI tool. By hearing this word, buzzwords of AI with Java, I am sure that maximum Java developer started fearing. Yes, it is expected because we don't know how to use it. Once you know the use case of AI tool, then you will become very confident. So in this session, I am going to explain a very important AI tool that is known as GitHub Copilot. Every Java developer should know about it. If you wanted to write code in a smarter and fastest with less effort, then this tool going to be literally help you. This tool directly work inside a IDE, IntelliJ or VS Code. Yes, it is going to be integrate with your IDE as a plugin, and it will help you to write the code and to fix the issues, to debug the issues, to write the JUnit, to understand the code, and it will help you to remove the boilerplate code. So many more things you will get help. You are going to save a lot of times. Past 1 year I am using this tool, and in this session I am going to explain you step by step how to install this GitHub Copilot, how to integrate it, and how to use it. You spend few minutes time with me, you will understand and you will be very confident to use the same in your company, in your project work. I am sure that many top IT companies, they have started using this tool. So let's understand this tool. IntelliJ IDEA, then go to File, Settings, then here you type plugin. In the plugin you go to Marketplace, and here you type GitHub Copilot. This frog symbol, this Copilot plugin will show you, and here it is showing install. Just click on install, it will install, and after that it will ask to restart your IDE. You have to restart your IDE. So it restarted. Post that you will see there is a icon called GitHub Copilot. Here we are having Copilot for free, otherwise you can subscribe. So let's access for free, and you need to sign up. You need to sign in this Copilot, GitHub. So if you click, it will open a pop-up like this. You see there will be a code, so just copy and open. It will open in a new browser. So you need to pass your GitHub account. Like already I have a GitHub account on this Gmail ID, so I am passing this Gmail ID and password. So you will sign in. So here you need to put continue, and here asking to that code, right? Already I copied and opened that time. You need to Control V. So just continue. You need to authenticate. You see authorize GitHub, then congratulations, all is set. Now come to your ID. Here you see I have created a application, a dummy CRUD application. Here we are having controller, model, repository, services. It is a employee controller, and it is a employee application. So if you run this application, okay, so here it is, we are having some employee data. So if you see the controller, here we are having add employee, delete employee, all employee. You see all update employee, all kind of activities like CRUD activities we can see. So here you see, if we'll put a send request. So I have run this application in 8082 port. Here you will see I have mentioned 8082, and I have started the application. So it is run in 8082 port. So I am able to run it. So you can find an employee or multiple employees. All this detail I have wrote here. So here you see we are having add employee and get employee, get one employee, all employee, update employee. We don't have delete employee. Okay, so here you will go to Copilot, and here you see we are having mode, ask mode, agent mode, edit mode. So generally you would use ask mode or agent mode. So if you whatever class we have selected here, it is auto selected that class. If I'll change the class from, if I'll go to repository, you see it is showing repo. So in this controller class, let's say I wanted to ask to this copilot, can you write delete employee? Okay, delete employee function, delete employee method. So I will write add delete employee method, something plain language, plain English you will write. So you just post this question, he will try to analyze, he is reading your code and analyzing, and he will give you the code. So you see here 3 dot is there, you can click it. Here we can resize the windows view mode, we can open in a separate window, it will be like this. Otherwise if you click here, it will go as like this. So you will just play around it. So I'm just showing all this, you can move or left, right, wherever it is you can do that. And you see it is, you see what it is done, what it is doing, it has added this delete employee. You see this code it has added, you just copy this code and you can place there. So it has analyzed our code and added this delete endpoints, you see. So if we'll go to agent mode, if we'll go to agent mode, let me minimize little, and you will ask same question, whatever we ask, same question if you will ask, add delete employee method. Let me type one more time. So what this agent mode doing, you no need to manually copy the code and paste inside the class, automatically it will place. Okay, it is working. Suppose you can ask any annotation you are not able to understand, you can copy that and ask, explain it. It is, you see it is read, analyze and edited code. Now it is asking, do you want to accept? You see this code it is added, accept all. So here in this application we are having a, in this we are having a employee DB, here one table called employee, here we are having, these are the data, Hari Krishna, Nandini, Mishra, Manas, all these things. Okay, so you wanted to delete means you can call a delete endpoint. So here you see these data you are seeing, right? So if you wanted to delete, you wanted to call this endpoint delete employee ID. So delete, then you wanted to pass the employee ID. Suppose I wanted to delete to Nandini, I will say 102. Delete. Okay, after adding this code we need to compile it. Okay, let's compile. And rerun the application. It compiled successfully. We need to run the application. Then just see the all employee. Yeah, all employee came, Nandini also there. So now I wanted to delete. Method not allowed. Here in get we need to change to delete. Now deleted successfully. Okay, and if we'll do now, if we'll say see all employees, you see Nandini is not there. Suppose you can ask, explain this delete mapping, or now you can ask, explain this put mapping. So explain this code, you can put, and here ask explain this code. It will explain. So what is ask mode and what is agent mode I explained. Okay, one more things I will show you. Let it is explained, I will show you. It is reading and analyzing, then it will explain. Let me move to new window. It will explain. It is explaining this put method, what it is doing. This method calls the service to perform the update and return the updated employee. Spring serialization the return value to JSON. So what it is doing, it is explaining. You see the code. So we have asked this code, right, what it is doing. So it is explaining. If it is a complex code, you can ask. Now you see, you wanted to write JUnit. Okay, so for this, suppose for service layer you wanted to write the employee service JUnit code. So what you will do, you will go here, change to agent. Okay, then for the, you can just write JUnit test cases for this class. It will automatically write and it will create that folder structure. So any issues will come at the time of starting your application. You copy that error and paste here. It will provide you the suggestion and it will fix directly. It will fix and inject. So if you are using trial version, this agent mode 50 times you can use in a month. So and this ask mode you can use 2000 times. So as a student, or if you are trying to learn that, so it is sufficient. So if you wanted to buy, so there is a subscription plan. At the time of you integrated it, it was showing there, you can subscribe. So it is saying you need to add it to the Git. Yes. So if you accept all, you see this test class generated. Okay, so just run it. So we are getting this error. Now you ask what is the solutions for this error. He will provide the solutions. Still he is working. You see, whatever mistakes he has done, now he is rectifying that. Successfully all the test cases running. So he has generated the test cases and some error was there, he has fixed it. So even single line I have not wrote. These many lines he has wrote, 110 lines around. So you can write JUnit and you can fix any error will come like that. You take that error and ask how I asked. Okay, so you can ask, he will fix it. So if you wanted to document anything, so you want to document anything, here it will suggest. Whenever you will write the code, any code you are writing, you see this GitHub Copilot, it will help you for documenting and understanding writing JUnit, and you can, if you wanted to generate some utility class or be some business class, so you just give the content here, he will generate the code. If you wanted to upgrade from one Spring Boot version to other Spring Boot version, he will suggest all kind of issues you can fix. This is a very good tool. You, as a Java developer, you must have to know. So just install it, just integrate it with this IntelliJ IDEA, or this you can use VS Code. They are integrated, and start learning, play around here. Okay, so you go any interview, if you are saying that you are using this GitHub Copilot, they will be really happy, because maximum companies they are using this GitHub Copilot as a tool. So like this, we are having other tools. If you wanted to learn those AI tools which is required to learn as a Java developer, so you just let me know in the comment section. I will upload few more videos for other tools. Thank you so much. If you really got something from this session, please subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel, and like and put comment.